last video in Detox series. Ending your cleanse safely. You have just undergone an incredible journey with your body. You have enabled and assisted your body in the process of ridding itself of the dangerous toxins it had been carrying around. At the end of your cleanse, you should take steps to ease your body back into a routine. Take this time to change your eating habits. Instead of going back to processed foods, move into a more whole and holistic way of eating. If you go from detoxing to full meals without allowing your body to adjust, you will get sick. Everything from nausea to diarrhea can occur. So, it's best to ease yourself back in. Here are some pointers to help with that transition. The day after your cleanse ends, eat mostly vegetables, fruit, and nuts. Continue to drink water, and reduce your portion size from your before cleansing size. Don't include sugars, coffee, wheat, processed foods, or dairy. Day 2 starts to introduce starches and grains such as brown rice, nuts, beans, and extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil for cooking. Day 3 is when you can reintroduce dairy if you want to. Day 4 is the day for meat, poultry, and/or fish. Day 5, you should be able to incorporate other healthy foods and begin to normalize your eating habits. The main thing to take away from this is that you want to test what your body can handle. Always listen to your body. Make sure if you have any questions or adverse side effects, you contact your doctor immediately. At the end, deciding to undergo the process of detoxing or cleansing is a fantastic way to help your body improve physically and mentally. We deal with so many toxins in our world that our human bodies haven't had the chance to evolve to deal with them. Keeping toxins from your body can help reduce symptoms of arthritis, gastrointestinal issues, anxiety, depression, and many more. Your health and safety is the most important thing to keep in mind when you are deciding on a detox program, so it's always best to consult your family doctor before starting. Good luck with your cleansing journey.